Leave was granted actually unopposed in respect of Conradh Gaeilge's challenge application for judicial review to compel the Executive Office and the Department for Communities to incept a strategy for the Irish language. This is a strategy which should have been in its second phase. It was promised over 20 years ago. The application in its current form is for an order of mandamus, which will compel the Executive Office and the Department for Communities to incept a strategy. As I say, leave was not opposed. It was actually conceded by the Department. The Executive Office neither objected or consented to today's application, and a full hearing has been listed early in January.
Tamaj Arash os Corna Kircha Arish Sean Shrihuer, Gru Conradh Gaeilge os Cor na Hard Kircha Mel Firsta Marialar Hep on Aiminius Darlin Glagula Stratus Don Gaeilge Stratus a Galu and Gavilis a Shade on Kedur a Yan who differ all war August Santasak the football na Gaeilge Trikilla New in Curriginia and New in Kirch Rudda and She in a scale hen Tamacharve Dohasak and Neroilis and Casa Rish and Mianer Ugs be Pubble na Gaeilge and Ashik Firemark or Ian Dolhan Ken last den rin hen the Drake Stratus Ray Tamaj Gubber Ovi Fiha on Tam Multi Ladra Kimshiha Jant Ugging Ugsanish tan duagus Jalahul Ernaminius Glackulis and Stratus at Hagatas Jli Le Bugnak Fiha Blinanus.